Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Zoom on your laptop and sign in or choose Join Meeting. Do that now. Once done, click Settings to confirm camera, microphone, and speaker selection so audio and video work. Make sure your meeting ID and passcode are copied into the Join dialog, then paste them. You'll avoid delays by closing bandwidth-heavy apps. If you need a virtual background, enable it here. This first step gets you into the meeting room quickly and reliably. Once connected, learn the controls so you can act confidently during the call. You can mute or unmute with the toolbar or hold spacebar for push-to-talk. This prevents background noise. Switch between gallery and speaker view to focus on participants, and pin or spotlight a speaker when necessary. When sharing, click Share Screen, pick a window or the desktop, and check Optimize for video clip if you play media. These settings control what others see and hear. To finish, click Leave Meeting or, if you are the host, End Meeting for all, confirm the action. If audio fails, test both mic and speaker in settings, switch to another device, or use the phone dial-in option. This usually restores sound. If video doesn't work, close apps that use the camera, restart Zoom, or update your camera driver. Sometimes rebooting the laptop fixes persistent issues. Keep these quick fixes in mind so you can resolve problems without losing the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.